Hello everyone, this is Jason with Dent Lion Paintless Dent Repair. Today I am in Kingwood, Texas, taking care of a couple dents on this lifted Chevy Tahoe. I am at Westlake Houston Automotive on Westlake Houston Drive, and they do have a $39.99 oil change that comes with a free tire rotation. Now I do come over here and do some work every now and then, so if you needed a place to schedule or a place to meet me, this is as good a place as any, and you can get your oil changed at the same time. So I'm going to take some dents out of this Tahoe, take some before and after photos, maybe a little video, and put this together for y'all to see, and I'll get back to you here at the end. In this video, we are removing a minor dent that is behind a brace. It may look like I am pushing beside the dent. That is because I am actually just finding the tip of the tool and then moving it into position. Bracing is a complication when removing a dent. It is important for your PDR tech to be patient when working between a brace and the outer skin of the door so as not to cause additional damage. Pushing for perfection means pushing that last little bit of imperfection out. Meticulous is what you get when you choose Dent Lion as your paintless dent repair company. Having a technician that can recognize the high spots that are sometimes left after pushing and knows how to handle them properly is the difference between a good repair and a great repair. If you are looking for a meticulous, high-quality dent repair and live in the Houston or surrounding areas, call Dent Lion today or visit us at dentlion.com.